Here's how you replace the socket inside of a path light. Fish a new wire up through the bottom of the fixture. Once you get it outside, you're going to take your strippers. You're going to use the smallest hole setting, and you're going to clip off about 1/4 of an inch. Next, take our smallest barrel connector, put it in our crimper, and slide the wire inside and crimp. Once the crimps are on, we're going to slide our pieces of heat shrink on. Do not forget the heat shrink, very important. Now that the heat shrink is on, I'm going to take my socket, pull the protective ends off, get my crimper again, now our socket is wired. We have the heat shrinks over. Circle around the heat shrink, trying to get an even heat. When you see the glue oozing out of the heat shrink, you know you've got it. Typically you want to wait a little bit to let this cool down before we slide the wire down inside. If not, it'll drag the heat shrink off of the connection. Now we fish the new socket and wire connection back down through the vase. We thread the new socket tight into the bottom of the vase. There it is, nice and snug. Plug the module back in. Tuck all the wires down inside the vase. It's my bad hand. Get the nut started. Just take it down a little bit until it makes contact. Spin it around. Take the other screw. Get it started. Take it up tight.